Country's economy is still lagging behind pre-COVID-19 growth levels, and the latest data from Statistics South Africa on the second quarter GDP shows that there is a long way to go before the economy fully recovers. There were, however, some green shoots seen in the transport, communication and trade sectors. Our business reporter, Kopano Gumbi, has those details.
Second quarter GDP numbers reveal a country that is still grappling with the implementation of an effective growth strategy. Although this latest data shows that South Africa is officially out of a technical recession, it is still 1.4% smaller than before COVID-19, a worrying trend.
The growth rate in terms of the demand and supply, we can see that it is behaving consistently in congruence with one another. And of course, we say that our economy rose by 1.2% seasonally adjusted as of the second quarter of 2021, sitting at a year-on-year growth of 19.3%, and the 6 months on 6 months at 7.5%.
Some light on the horizon came in the form of the trade sector and exports, boosted by a commodity boom that has seen many JSE-listed firms recording record profits. And the port, the leading trade hub, is reaping the benefits of this increased demand.
We have seen that it has been a good quarter, of course coming from a low base. We also appreciate that the port itself is an important player when it comes to the GDP of the country. For an example, for the city of eThekwini, the port contributes 21%, for the province 11%, then nationally we're contributing 2%. We have done well on most commodities. We've got containers, we exceeded the quarterly budget. We've got auto, we exceeded the target. Bulk, we exceeded the target. We've got fruit, we also are doing well on that.
The government has called on private sector investments to expand the port and increase its ability to attract high-volume, high-value goods through the docks. But this could take over 10 years and cost billions of rands.
We have major plans. Where we are at, we want this port to be the hub in the sub-Saharan Africa, where big ships should call the port of Durban. Then the cargo from this port can be further redistributed to mid-sized ports around the region. This is really designed to make sure that we help the entire region to trade with the rest of the world. And if we do that, it's going to be one way of contributing towards the Africa Free Trade Area Agreement. We're looking at improving between now and up to 2034, 36, and begin to really show impact. But we're not going to be handling the same amount of volumes, I must say. Our target is to say we want to create capacity, which will be in the region of 11.3 billion TEU capacity.
The trade sector continues to be a positive contributor to the country's GDP, and should the government's plans for expansion of the port materialize, it will ensure that it entrenches this country's position as a leading trading hub. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I am Kopano Gumbi in Durban.